Hey YouTube, this is a homemade grinder that I have. It's a grinder, and I don't have any butter on me right now, so I'm going to use a piece of bread to show you how it works. Off a piece here, 2 pieces, 2 little pieces of bread, the grinder. So I just press them on to the nails and pop in the other cap. It's click. Now it's click, so it's airtight. It can't really get out. So just take it, you press and twist, and you'll hear a little click. If you can hear that, and just do that a little bit, I guess, and then you'll have perfectly just ground up bread. But it works so much better with weed or bud, but those are 2 solid pieces, and that's what it turned into. So, it worked pretty well. And yes, here's the grinder. It's got 4 on one side, and however many that is, just that many on this side. Soda stone, so whatever. Anyways, I'll do one more demonstration with the bread. Make it a little nicer. Okay. So 1 piece of bread. The grinder. Place right in the grinder. Listen for that snap. And twist. I mean, you can really do it either way, but it doesn't really matter. So you can do it that way too. You can press and twist and grind it a little finer. So you'll hear the click again. And then now it should be ground up pretty well. Yeah, this worked. You saw that was a big chunk of bread, and went down to that. And now I'm gonna make a dense piece of bread and try to grind that up. So I'll take a piece of bread and mush it really tightly, so it's kind of like a piece of bud, I like it pretty dense, so it's a dense piece. Here's the grinder. Snap it in place. There we go. Grind it up. Yeah, this one's a little tougher to grind. Because they're so tight and airlock, and like the nails are close together, so it pulls, teases, it pushes them, and then grinds them in between them. And, so grind it up a little more. Pop open. Alright, you guys saw it yourself. Had dense piece, about that big now. Yeah, thanks.